nag-umpisa ang aktor na si Alden Richards na tila ba tatanda na siya sa pangangalaga ng GMA7. Dahil ayon rito ay hindi siya pinabayaan ng GMA kahit ano pa ang napagdaanan niya sa career niya. Every time na magkakaroon ng mga parang problems, minsan I really reflect with myself why I stay with GMA. They've always believed in me no matter how I do in the business, how I do in the projects that I do with them. Parang yung result nun, kahit hindi maganda, they've always given me all-out support. It's unwavering. Saad ni Alden. They trust me so much with a lot of things. The only thing that I can give them is my loyalty. So because of the trust and love and support they've given me all throughout those 10 years, who am I to look for other networks? Or to transfer to another network that's so ungrateful? Parang siguro, now that I am on my 10th year, sasabi ko talaga na I will grow old with them. Dagdag pa ng kapuso aktor. Ayon pa sa aktor, ay hindi niya pinapasok sa sistema niya ang mga tagumpay na nakamit niya sa kanyang showbiz career. Siguro it's about staying true to yourself no matter how many accomplishments or recognitions you get. Ayaw na ayaw kong iwan yung Alden Richards before when he was starting. Kasi in the past 10 years that I've been here, I see people that came in, came out, changed, remained the same. Tapos, ang dami ko po nakita at na-experience the moments during my stay here. But I guess, kung ano ka talaga, yun talaga ang lalabas. You don't have to pretend. Siguro, that's the one thing that I keep in mind. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. So, yun lang. Siguro kaya ganito pa rin tayo. Lahad ni Alden nang makapanayam siya noong November 27.
Share for 5.